What's happening, my hassle-free souls? What's going on? You feel that? I do. So, today we're going to talk about the law of assumption. Yeah, you know what time it is. We're going to talk about that feeling you get when your desires get close. Now, we know it to be true that your desires, your very manifestation, cannot happen unless you presume to assume that it's yours, that you hold in your hand, your heart, and your mind. What you believe and see is what you can have. So let me ask you, do your assumptions reach levels that most people would laugh in your face about? If that's true, that's good. Keep going on this path. You know, the Bible says there's a narrow path and there's a broad path. And you really don't want to be on the broad path with all the sick people that there is in the world. You want to be on the narrow path, the path of enlightenment, the path of spiritual growth, the path that'll lead you to wealth, health, and everything else in between. This path carries joy, happiness, and peace. A very, very lasting peace. So when you take the time in your day, always assume that you are rich, that you have what you want, whether it be the girlfriend or boyfriend, the money, the car, the house, the kids. Don't let your thoughts be stopped by other people who wish to bring you down. You are the ruler to this world. Your mind is so great. And with that, it's been another hassle-free moment. You know the drill. Stay hassle-free. Drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and have an amazing day.